Using Gale library resources, teachers can take advantage of a seamless integration with their Google Classroom account and easily share content with students. When you find a result you want to share with your students, click the green Shared to Classroom icon. Choose your class and action, and then follow the same steps you normally do when creating a post. Once you've finished, you'll have the chance to view your post. You can also share search results and topic pages by going through these same steps. If you want to share any highlights and notes you've made on an article, first send the document to your Google Drive account. Then, make a post on Google Classroom and click the Google Drive icon. You'll find the article you saved in a folder named after the Gale resource you were using. Use these tools to enhance your lessons and empower your students' learning.